Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Love Lakes. Diba? Hindi ibig sabihin na Love Lakes to, para lang to sa mga lovers. Hello. Also for friends, family gathering, spend time together every weekend. Maganda yung place kasi nakaka-relax siya. Alam mo yung malayo ka sa mga sa city na polluted yung yung hangin. Pero dito ma-feel mo talaga yung fresh ng hangin, fresh air from the natural look. Yan si Madam. Yan naman yung boss ko. I just started working with him like yesterday. See, look at my background. Very nice. Look at the sunset at my back. Still, you cannot see the sun over there. So, gagawa kami ngayon ng barbecue. So, syempre kasi si boss ang boss ko, kasi siya lang yung lalaki, so siya yung nagpe-prepare. Gagawa siya ng oh guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung flamingo. Yung mga baby black swan. I think that is a swan. I think this is a swan. Black swan. Do you know? Swan parang hindi flamingo. Swan.